All right, thank you, studios. This is a regional event where we'll be looking at support to ECOWAS as regional action plan on illicit drug trafficking, organized crime related to it, and drug abuse in West Africa. And of course, we'll be looking at response to drugs and related organized crime in Nigeria. Now, these projects are funded by the European Union. And to give us a bit more insight into the event, I have with me here
Mr. Sheikh Toure.
Okay, you are?
Sheikh Usman Toure. I'm the regional project coordinator for the support to the implementation of the drug action plan.
Can you give us a bit more insight into what we should expect from this event?
First of all, we have to put first thing first. With Glenn Pritchard, my colleague from CONIC, we put our head together on international cooperation, because that's one of the major things that is impending the illicit drug trafficking operational tactics. So we decided to put our head together, to work together in order to bring the member states together to discuss the challenges and the prospect for more international collaboration and cooperation when it comes to transnational organized crime. So we're expecting very interesting debates, but more so solutions on how our programs jointly can support member states to overcome those issues.
Okay, thank you very much. And I also have with me here
Mr. Glenn Pritchard. I'm the project coordinator for the Nigerian-based project Response to Drugs and Related Organised Crime in Nigeria.
Okay, so what should we expect from this event?
The idea of bringing all these people together across the West African nations is to build relationships of trust. They need to be able to collaborate and work together to properly build responses in relation to drugs and organised crime. One of the key issues in relation to organised crime is that criminals do not recognise borders. They like that, so the organised crime goes across the border. Time, and the law enforcement responses need to match that. They need to be able to collaborate seamlessly across these borders, the same way as that organised crime work across the borders. So the idea is that they'll come together, they'll share some of the challenges that they have in relation to when the investigations do cross borders, and then they'll work out ways in a collaborative way that they can better respond to those challenges in the future.
All right, thank you very much indeed. Okay, you've heard it all from the people who will be looking at some of the ways to deal with the drug issues in the country. Of course, it's a conference on supporting the implementation of the ECOWAS drug action plan through effective regional narcotics enforcement cooperation. In a couple of minutes, we will be having this conference kick-started in earnest. Joseph Johnson is back to the studios now.